Right. So if you hate surprises, you will probably hate this lifestyle.
Thanks. What that means.
So we're stuck. Made it to Vegas, and it's only 106 degrees here. Pretty excited. Particularly Lewis, who is definitely allergic to heat. We're also enjoying the traffic.
Welcome to Vegas.
Of Las Vegas.
Boo.
After an inconvenient miscommunication with the brand we were working with, Trevor looked for parking for the rig for hours while I got us settled in at the hotel. We're gonna work for the rest of the day and then have fun tonight and the next couple days. Going really hard in Vegas. Got Trevor TikToking, Lewis napping, and me working. Things are wild. Gonna ride the strip in style. You like it?
Same issue I have with a lot of pizza. The spicy pepperonis and stuff like that. I don't like pizza to be sweet.
So it's too sweet for
It's a
you.
bit too sweet. I mean, I'm gonna eat it. But
Excited about this. Since we're here for a very short time, we decided to pack a lot into just 48 hours. We're going to have a very, very unique dinner experience.
let's say we won't shed any light.
Good one, good hint. The big reveal. Dinner in the dark.
Oh yeah.
Please make sure that your phones, Apple Watches, anything that will light up or glow is completely turned off. They're not allowed in the dining area at all.
Okay.
After you put your items away, each of you has to sign forms on the iPads.
Yeah. Okay, so
So yeah, everybody that's gonna have dinner. Everybody. All right, guys, gather around real quick. Let me introduce myself. So my name is Rob. Welcome everybody to Blackout. Is this all your first time?
eating a 7-course meal in complete darkness is an experience I will definitely never forget. If you have this in your town, I highly recommend it as a date night. We just left the blackout dining in the dark experience. So interesting. I actually highly recommend it. Using all of your senses except for your sight to experience a date night. It was very interesting.
It was.
I really enjoyed it. It was very cool. Oh, but Trevor didn't, I guess.
I said it wasn't a soda.
Well, nothing's free. Okay, we are on the hunt for flip-flops because an Uber ride is like $60 back to our hotel, and these heels, what a horrible invention. Like maybe 2 years since I've worn heels and I will never do it again. As long as I live, I hope you enjoyed it.
They look good.
Oh my gosh. Sweet relief. Cannot believe they had flip-flops. We're saved. My feet are saved.
You're safe.
I'm saved. So happy to own a new pair of shoes in my entire life. These $12 flip-flops are everything. Sweet relief. All good things must come to an end. And that is the end of our Vegas vacation / work trip. I'd say it was a success.
I had a good time.
Said it was a good time.
It's based on appearance, man. That's just unconstitutional. They think we're waitresses. Yeah, they're actually hired as models who serve so that men can monitor the physical appearance.
Ending Vegas on a high note. It's around 2 in the morning, and Ocean's 13, which if you haven't seen it, you should definitely see it. It's one of my favorite movies. Is on TV. So we're gonna watch that and fall asleep to it. Night Vegas. It's been rad. It's a good time.
Good time.
Today we're gonna pack up Wazmoo and head to Idaho. Are you naked? I'm afraid for the camera to go down. Oh, we're safe. That was a gamble. See what I did there? It's the only time I'm gonna gamble in Vegas. Alright, putting in the directions for Twin Falls, Idaho. Gonna hit the road. Falling because it is so hot and Trevor has to like watch the temperature gauge. Well, it's not even doing this, it's just slowly getting hotter. After realizing the truck was not going to cool down because of how hot it is in Nevada, we decided to pull over and just take an afternoon nap and drive through the night when it's a little bit cooler. So we decided to pull over and drive at night because we thought that it would be a little bit cooler.
It is.
But not by much. It's still like 90 something degrees outside. So we have to turn off the AC so that we can cool down the truck. But then Lewis gets overheated.
Yeah, because everything out of Vegas is straight uphill all the way around.
So we're basically just alternating back and forth between cooling down Lewis and cooling down the truck. And needless to say, all this is happening in slow motion because we're maxing out at about 42 miles an hour. Good times.
Just keep an eye on the temps. That's all I'm doing. Off for a second, let it cool down, let us catch up.
Okay.
Just do its thing for.
This is a sketchy spot. We're like not really on the side of the road. So you don't want to see if there's a better. It's not that it's overheating, it's something with the oil, you said?
Yeah, just trying to make sure that it wasn't an oil issue, so I put a little oil to it. I guess I put a little too much.
Oh.
Alright, babe, get in the back with the boy.
Okay. Fuck. That's a lot.
That's what you call a stupid mistake. I'm sorry, family.
Hey, wow, it's even on the stairs.
Yeah, it's entirely my fault.
Wait, did you just put too much in?
Nope. I didn't put the cover back on.
The cover missing?
No.
Do we have any?
I don't know, I can't get any tray.
sorry.
Will you hand me the keys?
Yeah.
Just don't put your feet on this.
I won't.
We're gonna have to get it.
It's a little after midnight in the middle of nowhere. We don't have any service. one of the oil light came on the dashboard. And so when Trevor got out to check it, he discovered that we accidentally left the cap off.
So I made a really stupid mistake. Pulled over to add a little oil to the motor, and we just went through a whole bunch of checklists because it was slightly overheating. And I completely forgot to put the oil cap back on. So now we're in the middle of nowhere, too far from anything, and nothing's open right now anyways.
It's so bad when stuff like this happens because I can do 0 things to contribute.
I guess first thing tomorrow morning, I'll hop on the bike, go get a couple gallons of oil, come back, load them up, go back out, get a couple gallons of oil, head back, load them up. Man, that one's stupid. It's supposed to be.
Literally middle of nowhere. Don't even have service. And now Lewis and I wait. How'd it go? Did you get some stuff?
Yeah, I got as much as I can carry.
We were pretty frustrated to learn that once Trevor got back from Napa Auto Parts, he discovered that he did not have all the pieces that we ordered, and when we confronted Napa about it, they said that it wasn't their fault. So we gotta go with somebody else and try again tomorrow. So much harder than it looks. So hard. I'm sleepy too.
I'm gonna go get our parts.
See you soon.
I'll close the door.
Okay, all right,
Lock
bye.
that shit.
Now Lewis and I what? We wait.
Wheeler Machine Caterpillar Company for the win. They ordered us another thermostat. They actually had it, which was really nice. Napa Auto Parts, on the other hand, you suck. Double check with the guy twice. He said he ordered 2 thermostats and a gasket. And he's like, oh, I guess only one show. I called him twice. He was an asshole over the phone. He was like, oh, if I said I ordered it, I ordered it. Had a gasket, so just that one thermostat, and then we'll install it, hit the road.
You made them, but they're the ones that have like the metal 90 in them.
So, new thermostats. A few of you asked about burping. Now, if you see this little dangly thing right here, so this is a built-in system to help with burping. Unfortunately, if you get any back pressure on the back of it, it pushes up and closes it off. So, did a bunch of reading this motor. Get rid of it. So now, if I get any back pressure, I get enough to go through that tiny little hole right there, we'll be good to go. We'll be good to go. All right, new thermostats in, new high pressure line going to the top of the Huey system. So we're gonna finish this guy up. All right.
What's wrong?
I broke a hose clamp.
Is that important?
Yeah.
Well, so what does that mean?
Let's go get a new one.
Damn it, Trevor.
I meant to get one, and then I just forgot.
Son of a nutcracker. Hurry back.
Come on, Lou. Wanna go outside? Okay, new high pressure hose. 2 new, what the heck are those things called? Thermostats, a new oil filter. Wheeler again for the win. So I'm gonna head back, install.
We can't put the stairs down because we're in this ditch, so Trevor put like this little ladder thing. But then he left before putting Lewis back in the house. So I'm about to show you how Louie and I work together. All right, you ready? Good boy. Jeez. So how's it going?
I think we're about there.
Really?
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Wait, where are you going? What's that mean? He knows I know nothing. Are we good? I can't read any of these. I mean, that one looks good. Is it good?
We'll find out, babe. It takes a while just to heat up.
Well, you said if it started.
Yeah, that's step 1.
Okay, we're ready back there. What do you think?
About what?
Are we good?
I think so.
I'm very excited. You excited, Lewis? Bye, home, for the last 4 days.
You were good, Toast.
You were good, Toast. You were beautiful. But I won't miss you.